In this video, you will find the overview of the 6253. The 6253 is a DC voltage current source monitor. It can be widely used as power supply for evaluating semiconductors and electronic components in research and development, and as power supply for characteristic evaluation systems. As the same as our other models, the 6253 achieves high accuracy, high stability and low noise performances. Also, it realizes higher precision features. For example, 5 1/2 digit resolution for generation, 6 1/2 digit resolution for measurement. Its basic accuracy is plus or minus 0.02%. Furthermore, the 6253 can support various applications by the sweep functions, high-speed pulse measurement function with a minimum pulse width of 25 microsecond, the variable integration function and the newly adopted variable slew rate function. USB and GPIB interfaces are mounted as standard, and LAN and RS-232 interfaces are available optionally. Output range. The 6253 can source or sink current by adopting bipolar output. The source and measurement range is plus or minus 2 ampere at pulse or minus 32 volt, and plus or minus 1 ampere at pulse or minus 64 volt. At plus or minus 110 volt, it can source or sink plus or minus 0.5 ampere. Source and measurement functions. Voltage source, current source, voltage measurement, current measurement, and resistance measurement can be selected by specifying the source and measurement functions. The 6253 is equipped with twin AD converters, allowing parallel measurement of voltage and current. Next, we will show you the front and rear panels of the 6253. Front panel. The operability was improved because of a numeric keypad. Safety sockets are installed on the front output terminals. You can choose either of 2-wire connection or 4-wire connection. Rear panel. The rear output terminals are a square connector, and its connecting plug is a supplied accessory. The external control signals of the BNC connector can be used for synchronous operation or external device control. USB and GPIB interfaces are installed as standard. LAN and RS-232 interfaces are factory options. Display screen. On the color LCD display, source voltage, Vs, source current, is, limit values, HL and LL, measured voltage, VM, and measurement current, IM, are displayed. Voltage and current can be measured simultaneously. Time setting screen. Time settings are important for pulse or sweep source. The time setting screen on the 6253 allows you to make these settings easier than the former models. Graph display screen. As the measurement memory data is displayed graphically, you can easily view measurement results. There are 2 display options, voltage and current value display, and display of the number of memories and measured values. Voltage and current source modes. There are 4 voltage or current source modes: DC, pulse, DC sweep, pulse sweep. Then, the sweep modes are classified into 5 sweep types: fixed sweep, linear sweep, log sweep, random sweep, and multi-slope linear sweep. Suspend function. The 6253 can select from 3 output off statuses: standby, output relay off, high Z, output relay on and high resistance, and low Z, output relay on and low resistance. Consequently, unnecessary relay on-off operations can be omitted. Using this function will prevent throughput reduction due to relay operating time, and extend relay lifetime dramatically, increasing product reliability. In addition, the setting of a suspend voltage in high Z and low Z status, can prevent transient current from being generated when connecting voltage sourcing devices such as batteries. Variable slew rate function. The rising time and the falling time can be set freely by using the variable slew rate. There are 4 ranges: 10.0 to 99.9 volt per second, 100 to 999 volt per second, 1.00 to 9.99 kV per second, and 10.0 to 99.9 kV per second. Output response. The output response of the 6253 can be switched between fast and slow. When the output response is set to fast, it starts up faster than the former models. High-low limit separate setting. In voltage or current source, the high-low limit settings are very important. The 6253 has a function that can set the high and low limits individually. In addition, for the voltage limit, both high and low limits can be set homopolar. This prevents capacitors or batteries from being overdischarged. Also, it is suitable for evaluating devices such as laser diodes, that are used at a constant current, and do not tolerate reverse voltage application. Next, we will introduce you applications of the 6253. DC-DC converter evaluation. The following functions are effective for DC-DC converter characteristic test. The input current and the output voltage or current can be measured simultaneously by synchronizing two units of the 6253. Plus or minus source and plus or minus sink are available by bipolar output. The 6253 allows 0-volt sync, which is unavailable by normal electronic load. Diode VF temperature dependence evaluation. Pulse current application is effective for power diode characteristic test, to avoid the influence of self-heating. By using the current pulse sweep function, and voltage measurement in synchronization with pulses, precise VF characteristic test is available, even with large current. Protection of overshoot at capacitive load. When a capacitive load is connected, overshoot occurs at the rising or falling edge, and the DUT may be damaged or the output becomes unstable. By using the variable slew rate function, the 6253 can alleviate voltage waveforms and protect overshoot. Average current measurement. The 6253 allows you to set the integration time arbitrarily from 100 microsecond to 1000 millisecond. This makes it measure easily the average current consumption of mobile phones and LCDs. As any integration time of the AD converter itself can be set and analog integration is adopted, there are no omissions in waveforms, differently from digital integration, resulting in precise average measurement. At the end, we would like to show you our website and the related pages. If you have any questions, please contact us from the inquiry form. Thank you for watching.